Hey, what's up guys? Jackson here with Toasty DIY, and today we're taking a look at another Makita product, which I'm pretty excited about because I'm actually a pretty big Makita fan. You know, I've always just really been into handiwork and whatnot, so I've always really appreciated battery-powered tools because it's just really nice, you know, not having to run an extension cord. And some of these battery-powered tools really are better as far as torque and the amount of workload they can do than a lot of the cheaper, you know, corded tools, which I have quite a few corded tools because corded is nice, you know, because you never have to charge it, and they're pretty much indestructible for the most part, and they're always cheaper. But like I said though, I mean, these two drills are before they had brushless series for Makita stuff, and I think I've had both of these now for, I want to say, at least 5 years. And I've never had a single issue. And it's funny enough because I'm getting ready to unbox this saw for you guys. This is the XHU02Z. It's one of their 18 volt LXT saws. This is the 22-inch hedge trimmer. They have a couple different sizes. I got the tool only, so no charger, no battery. I did actually order some generic batteries that I was going to kind of show you guys and compare to the other 5 amp hour batteries I have. But these ones do have like the charging indicator and everything. They were only like $54 and they had good reviews too, which that's kind of hard to find on generic batteries. Now I do have lots of the name brand ones, so I have the Makita 5 amp hour batteries and the 3 amp ones. And you can see, you know, I've used them kind of interchangeably on all my tools, but I have, like I said, the drills, I have the light. This thing's really awesome. Might blind the camera a little bit. But I've always liked this little light here. I've dropped it so many times. This thing's absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's intense. But that's a brushless Sawzall, and this thing has been absolutely amazing. I haven't really gotten to use it like an absolute ton, you know, like I'm not using it every day, but I definitely use it at least once a week, I'd say. The drills have been just used and abused. These here are some generic batteries. They're 5 amp batteries. You can see these don't even have labeling on them. And the only complaint I would have is this one did break fairly easy, it felt like. I think I was on this light and it fell from a few feet and broke. But other than that, it still works. I mean, all the batteries that I've gotten from Makita, all their lithium ion, whether it's from Makita or the off-brand, which I've only had 2 off-brand, so I can't speak too much on them, have worked and have stayed working besides the one that kind of broke, but hey, it still works. So let's just, you know, instead of me blabbing away, let's go ahead and open up this saw. I'm gonna set the camera down and we'll do a quick unboxing. All right, so I'll change the camera angle in just a second, but just so I can go ahead and get this box open because it's a fairly large box, I just have the camera set up top. So go ahead and just open this up and show you guys what all comes with it. It should literally just be the tool and instructions since we got tool only. I think you can get these with cases and everything, but they're pretty large, so I'd imagine it'd be a very large case. And knowing Makita, you know, it'd be pretty expensive since their tools are expensive and their batteries are expensive. So look at this though. They have freaking expanded. So we got 270 plus tools. I remember like getting the drills back in the day, and they might have had like 50. So yeah, they have a lot. They have a Makita wheelbarrow that I think is electric. Yeah, these are always fun to look at, you know, if you want to find a good way to spend a shit ton of money. Let's go ahead and get this out. As far as the weight goes, by the way, it seems like it's pretty light so far. I think they kind of brag about how light it is in the product description. It does come with a blade guard, which is always nice. Safety's good. We have a very nice, like kind of like plexiglass slash plastic guard here to just keep stuff from hitting your hands and whatnot. So that's actually really nice to see. It looks like we have, looks like maybe 2 different speeds here. Yeah, because we got like a little switch so you can push it one way or the other way. And then I'm not sure if this is a safe, it has to be safety because I can hear a switch clicking on and off. So I'm assuming that's a safety to allow you, or sorry, to make it to where you can't just, you know, push the button down, you're good to go. But it looks like it might have 2 points of safety because it looks to me like you need to push this guy down one way, like one way or the other, because I can't pull the trigger without doing that. And I think this has to be held down, but we'll look up a battery and make sure. But we have a 22-inch blade. But yeah, we have a pretty nice blade though. I mean, it's basically just all metal. There's really not much to it. It just looks like we have this orange painted, I assume stainless steel guardrail, and then we just have you know, basically our set of stainless steel blades. So I mean, it's overall pretty simple. Like okay, actually slides on the back like this. Just slide it in like that. All right, let's see what it does. All right, so first I'm just gonna see. All right, so pressing the button does nothing. Let's try pressing this in. Still nothing. So I think we're gonna have to do basically push this in. Yeah. is so quiet. I'm not gonna lie, for some reason I was really expecting some shakiness to it because I have a corded one of these, and the corded one it's honestly pretty, I don't know if it's just unbalanced or what, but it shakes really bad. Yeah, it's impressive. And I want you guys to see how the blade moves on this. It moves in like, oh, it seems like it's like multiple. Oh yeah, it actually is. So it's like, this one's definitely different than what I'm used to because both sets actually move. I don't know if that makes any sense or if you can even see it when I'm doing it, but basically like the top and the bottom blade are both moving back and forth. I'm guessing that makes it where it can go to lower RPM because the hedge trimmer I have, just one blade is fixed and one's moving. This one you're getting like double action. So, pretty cool. But you know what I know you guys really want to see is me put on the head mount or the chest mount and go try this thing out. So let's do that. All right guys, so first we are starting off just nice and simple. I know this thing will cut through these like no problem. This is just like really thin willow tree. So let's go ahead and give it a try.